Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you about the problem Limetraces remain on dishes on BEKO Dishwasher B300. So in the first step, if you see the lime scale on your tableware, after the cleaning program, check that your rinse aid is sufficient for the device, so it's properly to the dishwashers. In the next step, try to check your water hardness level. How to do it? Just hold the menu button for 3 seconds and go to the little R to set the hardness of your water. You can check it with the proper accessory that you should get with your dishwasher. And in the last step, try that you don't have a salt leakage exit, so pay attention to do not spill salt around the salt filling hole. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.